there! I've handpicked 3 fantastic silent mechanical keyboards that let you type and game in peace, with smooth keystrokes, wireless freedom, and satisfying acoustics. Links to all 3 are in the description. Let's jump in! Starting with AULA F99 Pro. This gasket-mounted wireless keyboard comes in at around $80 and delivers a compact 96% layout with a volume knob, triple mode connectivity, and a massive 8,000 mAh battery that lasts for weeks. It features 5 layers of sound dampening, hot swappable switches, and full RGB customization. I really like how that gasket mount combined with all the foam gives you a genuinely cushioned thocky sound without any extra tuning. If you want premium typing acoustics at a budget price, the AULA is a no-brainer. Next up, Keychron K10 Pro. This full-size keyboard is priced at around $90 and comes re-engineered from the inside out with sound-absorbing foam, a silicone dampening pad, and a steel plate for a quiet yet solid feel. It features hot swappable switches compatible with virtually any MX switch, multi-device Bluetooth, and up to 100 hours of battery life. What I really appreciate is how easy it is to remap every key, swap switches on the fly, and seamlessly switch between Mac and Windows. If you want the most customizable and tinkerer-friendly silent keyboard, this is your pick. And finally, Redragon K745 Pro. This full-size gaming wireless keyboard costs about $60 and surprises you with a gasket mount and custom Mint Mambo linear switches that feel silky smooth right out of the box. It features 5 noise-dampening layers, hot swap support for almost any switch type, and a 2-stage tilt adjustment for all-day comfort. What I love most is how that creamy, dampened typing feel makes it impossible to believe you only spent $60. If you want a quiet, feature-packed gaming keyboard without the big price tag, the Redragon is fantastic. So there you have it, the value-packed AULA, the ultra-customizable Keychron, and the budget-friendly Redragon. I've kept it simple and honest. Hope this helps you find the perfect silent keyboard for a quieter, more comfortable setup. See ya!